Now we're doing Mr. Wallace, you say?
No.
Washington, Najee Washington.
And what day was he on? Let's see.
I believe he was on
Okay, and which one? Najee?
Najee, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have it.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Najee, you are charged with battery family violence. That bond is set at $5,000. Your preliminary hearing is June the 9th at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. You may not have any contact with Raven McGill, and you may not return to 906 South Lake Cove in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I need to review your CAA forms. Okay, so Yate, you sent them by date?
Your Honor, I didn't send him originally because I was told that he was out on loan, but he does show that he qualifies. I didn't send it out. I didn't send it over because I thought he was out on loan and would be continued,
Yes.
but he does qualify.
So I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's all good. Right, so now Attorney Gordon,
Morning, Judge. How are you?
good morning. Who are you here for?
It's Sal Jimenez, Menenkel.
You said the last name is Menez?
It's going to be either Jimenez or Maranchel, Moranchel. I'm not sure if it's going to be or
You are
Maranchel.
breaking up really bad.
Is that
Okay, is
better?
that Angel Moreno?
No.
Yeah, that is better. Angel Moreno?
No, it's
No?
her.
No, Your Honor.
Yeah, he's on May 15th calendar.
Yes.
14 and 15. And what's the last name again?
Jimenez Moreno Chell. The first name is spelled Itzel. The last name is Jimenez, Jimenez. Right up under Hester on your list.
The two that they then come in, will cost time. No.
No, let them sit there.
They want to.
Yeah.
They want to just.
Yeah, that's on PC.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's why they-
Yeah.
Okay, I see it now. It's a female.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And can we get Itzel? Is that who that is right there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All righty. So your attorney is here. Counsel, she is charged with battery family violence. You can go ahead and present to the court.
Yes, Judge.
It wasn't. She wasn't when I first got in here.
This is a first lifetime arrest.
Oh,
My client's a U.S. citizen, high school graduate. She got in a fight with her girlfriend.
I
And
should.
she ended up being arrested. She does not want it.
Oh, there's background interference. I don't know. Yate, you're the only one that's not muted? Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry.
This is a first lifetime arrest. She's a U.S. citizen, high school graduate. She got in a argument with her girlfriend and she ended up being arrested. She does not wish to have contact with the victim, so don't have any issues with the no contact order. We've already made arrangements. She's going to live with her mom in Griffin, Georgia, so not too far from Clayton. But based on her lack of criminal history, and I do think there are going to be significant defenses to the case, we're asking for a $500 bond.
I do see that you are correct. That is her only warrant. I mean, excuse me, charge. Um, so in this warrant, the allegation is that the victim stated that during the fight, the offender picked up a wax warmer by its cord and swung it at her, which caused substantial visible bodily injuries, bruising to her bicep, multiple scratches to her face. I made several attempts to contact the offender via phone and tried to locate her at the location where both parties resided, but no contact was made. So because she left, they took the alleged victim's version of events.
And it's also important to note, Judge, that when she was informed of the warrant, she turned herself in. The officers did not have to go pick her up.
All right, so counsel, are you gonna be representing her throughout the case?
Yes, Judge, we've been hired for the entirety of the case.
All right, so okay, so Miss Itzel, again, you are charged with battery, family violence. I have set that bond at $500. You may not have any contact with Valencia Dina, the alleged victim in this case, and you may not return to that 488 Clara Drive in Riverdale, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Understand that I know this happens, if you go back and you guys reconcile and you're found to be in the location together, she's not going to be in trouble, but you are. You're going to be rearrested and likely held without bond. So unless Attorney Gordon gets that amended, do not have any contact with her, okay? So hold on, let me get everything signed here.
That's a good deal.
All right, you're all set. Her bond is $500 with the special conditions. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have. I'll be excused.
Yes, have a great day.
Have a
Attorney,
great weekend.
all righty. Attorney Tolles.
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
Good morning. Who do you have?
I have it's already been a busy morning. Mr. Cedric Mobley.
Mobley? Cedric Mobley?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I remember that name. If you would bring up Mr. Mobley, please.
Your Honor, he's in housing 7 on watch. We're in the route to go get him, actually.
All right, we'll hold for him.
Thank you.
Attorney Tolles, do you want to hold or do you want me to put him on for tomorrow?
Hold, Your Honor, because it's a murder, so I'm sure it'll be very quick.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I know you
Yes.
said you had a busy morning. Okay, just hold tight. All right, if you could go ahead and bring those females.
Yes, Your Honor.
Violent or harassing contact with Alex Waddy. If the police are called again and you are considered the aggressor and you are arrested, you're going to be held without bond. You understand that? So no more issues. So no violent or harassing contact. Generally, I'm supposed to take you out of the home. So I'm having a little faith in you. All right. Okay. You don't want to come back to the documentary. June 9th. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you. You have any questions? You have any questions? No?
They have her muted, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
Your Honor, this is my first offense. Why am I not qualified for OR? Do you hear me?
I'm hearing you. Hold on. I'm looking. Well, first of all, I can't give a UJR on a battery. That's illegal.
Okay,
I tried to just give you a low bond.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. All righty. Well, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thanks.
Kendra McKinney.
Kendra McKinney.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $2,000. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for June the 9th at 8:30 a.m. You must stay away from the Atlanta airport. And can we make a note to send this one over to Clea, please? That's McKinney.
Yes, Your Honor.
We're gonna go over this one.
Prelim, and I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So again, your bond is set at $2,000. Good luck to you, ma'am.
All right. You gotta set it up that way.
Simpson Jasmine.
Ms. Jasmine.
That's with me. That's with me. Oh, him? Oh, yeah. No. Come on.
Simpson, what's your last name?
Yes, Simpson.
Simpson, okay. I'm going out of order here. All right, criminal trespass, that bond is set at $2,000. Your preliminary hearing is June 9th at 8:30 a.m. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
I'm a large. Moving. So what are they?
I did have a question here.
Appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am going to appoint one. Go ahead.
I wanted to see if I can get his signature on it.
Now, you have a history of violence. You've had a prior aggravated assault, a second aggravated assault, a battery after that. So you have a violent history. So no, I could not give you JR.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.
Yeah, you gotta go back to find.
Oh, your last name personally?
Stevens, Dana.
Mhm. Mhm. The last name?
Stevens.
Stevens, all right.
One. One.
Is that Dana?
That's correct. Yes, ma'am. First name is
Ms. Stevens, you are charged with simple battery. That bond is set at 2,000. Criminal damage in the second degree, 3,000. Obstruction, 1,500. Your total bond is $6,500, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your prelim is June 10th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Here that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you.
Okay, who is in that with you that can look on the computer? What you saying?
You may not have any contact with Katrina Barton, and you may not return to 235 Roberts Drive. And that is apartment 13G, and that's Riverdale. Do you understand the special conditions of your bond?
Yes, ma'am.
All righty, good luck to you, ma'am.
Williams Takia.
All right, Ms. Williams, Takia, you are charged with death by shoplifting and contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
Send him to make a word.
Shoplifting
Thank you.
is 1,500. Contributing to the delinquency of a minor, 2,000. The total bond is 3,500.
Okay.
Hold on, let me check and see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I'm going to appoint one for you. All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
All right.
Your Honor, there's a stay away condition for her. I don't know if it showed up on your side.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, you need to not, you can't go back to neighborhood groceries. Thank you, Yate.
Okay.
All right.
Goodbye for me, Williams. Step up to the computer.
Right. Good morning.
Good morning. Hold on, let me get this all signed.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Right.
Danielle.
Danielle. Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, she was the one that was seen before, but they didn't have one of her charges in CDCS, so she's being seen for the charge that we didn't get a chance to see her on.
And that's violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act.
Yes, Your Honor.
Setting this bond at 2,000. Preliminary hearing is scheduled for June the 10th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm also appointing counselor to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we have two fugitive females. Did you want to do them or you want to do all the fugitives together?
I would like to do all the fugitives at once.
Okay.
So you want to do it now?
You want to do them now, correct?
Is it only female fugitives?
It's 2 female fugitives and 2 male fugitives.
I'd like to do them all at once. Can we, that's all the females?
No, there's 2.
Besides the two fugitive
Other
females.
than the fugitives?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go ahead and would y'all prefer me to go ahead and do the fugitives?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Get the ladies
Yes,
back.
I can do that. I'll go ahead and do the fugitives.
To go first.
He's gonna do them all.
So, Your Honor,
Huh?
we just received Eric Marshall and Dashley Johnson's amended warrants. I guess you requested that they're amended. And we just received the amended warrants, but I don't know if they're gonna be down today. So do we want to continue them?
Yeah, just continue
Okay,
till tomorrow.
yes, Your Honor.
And so, right, I'll wait for you guys to get the fugitives, all 4. Ready? Mr. Mobley, you are charged with murder, aggravated assault, and possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. Your counsel is here, Attorney Tolles. Attorney Tolles, did you want to present anything to the court?
No, Judge, we'd just like to be placed on the preliminary hearing calendar.
Mhm. So, Mr. Mobley, all of your charges are denied. The murder, no bond denied is considered what we call a 1761 charge. The aggravated assault is denied and the possession of a firearm is denied. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for June 10th at 8:30 a.m. And you've already been appointed to him, or are you retained?
Retained.
Okay, so I'm gonna deny the court appointed.
After our school board from.
That'll do it. Good luck to you both.
Thank you, June. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, have a great one.
This dude is usually right here. About this stuff. Close it?
Yeah. Let me get 5 yes in the order that they came in. One, you going to, who going? That's next.
James, sir,
Edward Chavon.
last name again?
Edwards.
Edwards?
Yes, ma'am.
Augusta. Lè nou te pote misè lot ban. Ou menm ki te, yo te
All right, Mr. Jamal Edwards, you are charged with obstruction. That bond is set at 2,000, giving false name, 1,500, possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 1,000. Your total bond is $4,500, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for June the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
I have one question, ma'am.
Go ahead.
I just this is only because when I got arrested, I asked this. I asked what I was being arrested for. They told me obstruction of justice and the marijuana unannounced. So they told me that I obstructed by giving them a false identity, and I just wanted to make sure that there's no way that that is one charge rather than two charges. Because the way that they explained it to me, it seemed as if though I obstructed by way of giving a false identity, and as my charges are listed, it says I have obstruction of justice and a false identity. And I don't feel as if though it should be written that way, but I'm asking you because I know you will understand better than me.
Oh,
There he is. Where he going?
He going to
I'm
five,
like 7.
7, yeah. He was there, I'm like,
That's what I figured out.
so the way he wrote it up, it is one charge, and that is giving a false name. But so giving a false name, and then he's saying that it obstructed his investigation because you gave the false name.
Okay, that's the only verification I need. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm good. Hold on one second.
This is still first appearance. I need to get her my name.
yes.
Oh, my name is Felix Irving Jr.
Hold on.
Hey, Shahadi. Bro, what are you looking for?
What's up?
I'm gonna appoint him an attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, and that was for Edwards?
Yeah, and I actually went ahead and dismissed that obstruction.
Okay, Aaron.
Shahad Smith. Shahad Smith. Smith or Shahad.
Get everything signed.
Shahad.
So Deputy, let him know I did dismiss the obstruction on Jamal.
He said, you talking to me, Judge?
Jamal.
Yes,
Jamal.
Yes, ma'am.
Went ahead and dismissed the obstruction.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
All righty, good luck.
You have a blessed day. Thank you.
You as well.
Felix. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Felix Timothy Irving Jr.
What's your last name?
Irving, Irving Jr.
Mhm.
He already had a good year, wheelchair. With the inmate worker.
Go to medical.
You go to medical, bad.
You are charged with reckless conduct. That bond is at 2,000, terroristic threats 5,000, simple assault 2,000, disorderly conduct 2,000, aggravated assault 8,000. Your total bond is $19,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for November the 10th at 8:30 a.m. You cannot have any contact with Anna Lopez, and you may not return to that 681 Flint River Road. In Jonesboro, if you reside there, you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to retrieve some of your personal belongings. This is Mr. Irvin. Appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
My name is Durante Jackson.
Yeah. Look at that.
Durante Jackson?
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty. All right, Mr. Jackson, you are charged with simple battery. That bond is set at $3,000. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for June the 9th. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond, and you may not have any contact with Danielle Morgan. Again, your preliminary hearing is June the 9th. Let me see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. It appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
I'm gonna ask one question about real fast.
Uh-huh.
This is a charge that stemmed in 2019, correct? And the bonding company that I'm out on bond with, they don't have nothing saying that they got a court date to send me about this actual case right here. So, and I never got one. I never got a court date other than the first appearance that I did
We
attend.
must be talking about something else. So on the simple battery, it says that this occurred February the 23rd of 2025.
Oh, yeah, I'm lost about this one, man. Okay, but
Yeah, and it indicates that you threw coffee in the face of the victim, which is, I think it was Morgan something.
okay.
It was the person that I just told you. Danielle Morgan. All right.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, so good luck to you.
And I cannot go back to the
To that residence.
okay, 492, okay.
No, I didn't take you out of the residence because it didn't happen at a residence, but you can't have any contact with her.
Okay, I make sure I understand. I was hoping that I understood it right. Okay, so no contact with her, but you
Yes,
didn't
sir.
remove me from the residence.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All righty, good luck. What's your name?
Marjorie Jones.
All right, Mr. Jones. Roderick Jones, you are charged with battery. That bond is set at $3,500. You may not have any contact with Kobe Jackson. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for June 9th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And here's that you do qualify for court-appointed counsel, so I am going to appoint one. All right, sir. You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, wait a minute. And what's your name?
Terrence Pride, ma'am.
That last name again?
Pride. PR.
Bring you back up.
Your last name is Pride?
Yeah, Pride. PRIDE.
That's.
Yeah. And that's Terrence.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with simple battery. That bond is set at 2,000, terroristic threats, 2,000. Your total bond is $4,000. You must stay away from Dana Thompson, and you may not return to 1071 Lost Court in Georgia. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Again, your prelim is June 9th. Let me see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You put on your form that you make $32,000 a month.
Yes, I'm a trucking business owner.
Okay, so you don't qualify for a court appointment.
Yeah, definitely don't.
So you can.
Yeah, bro, you can give you a stare face. Yeah.
I thought it was, that it was put as annual, but it's monthly.
That's my thing.
Okay, all right. All right, so you don't qualify for that. What I think that'll do is $4,000. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Have a blessed one.
Have a blessed one.
Oh.
Hold on.
That's your name?
What's your name?
Shaw, Salim Shaw.
Swanson?
Salim Shaw.
Oh, okay, I see you. All right, Mr. Shaw. You are charged with public transit violation. That's $250. Criminal trespass, $250. Your total bond is $500, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You may not return to the MARTA station at the airport as a special condition of this bond if you make bond. The prelim, in case you don't make bond, is June 9th at 8:30 a.m. I have appointed an attorney to you. And Yate, if you would send this one over to Clea, please.
Sorry, what was the name again, Your Honor?
Shah, S-H-A-H.
Okay.
Good luck to you, sir.
Come back.
All right, what's your name, sir?
Zaire Smith.
All right, Mr. Smith. You are charged with obstruction. You were charged with simple battery, but I dismissed that charge. You are charged with obstruction, and that bond is set at $1,000. You may not have any contact with Javon Copeland, Steert Smith, and Christopher. It did not give a last name, but I'm sure you know who Christopher is. Make sure you don't have any contact with those individuals. Your prelim is June 9th. Let me see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
No, just afternoon.
You do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you.
Washington.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Hey, guys.
All right. That was.
Nice scanner.
All righty, what's your name?
Mandela Swanson Jr.
All right, Mr. Swanson, you are charged with possession of a firearm by a felon. You have 1, 2, 3 of those charges: robbery by snatching, theft by receiving stolen property, and unlawful possession of a firearm. All of your bonds are denied. You're on probation. You're currently on active probation since meeting 5. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for June the 10th at 8:30 a.m. And I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Out the way. Out the way, player. Come on, get your sacks. Let's go back.
What's your name? Henderson.
Hey, brother.
Hey, gentlemen, come in.
All right, what's your name?
Arrington.
What's going on with you?
Arrington, Brandon.
Oh, my money on my card. I need to send the money over to my folks so they come get that.
Yeah.
Think it's slick.
Okay, gotta have somebody.
You got it.
I'm just gonna call. You come pay. You can pay it on 3
What's
last.
your name again? I'm sorry.
Arrington, Brandon.
Last name is Brandon?
No, first name.
What's your last name?
Arrington.
Arrington. All right. Arrington, you're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at $3,000. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for June 10th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
And I've also appointed counsel to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Jeremiah.
Okay.
Why he stay there? You got another one. Why you got him?
Just gonna take me.
Oh, to do that too?
Y'all send them back?
This is one of my rich back in the one.
What's your name?
Jeremiah Barber.
All right, Mr. Barber.
You ain't doing anyways.
You are charged with seatbelt violation. That bond is set at 500. Open container, 250. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 250. Drug-related objects, 500. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act, 3,000. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act, another charge, 2,500. 2 weapon possession charges, both at 5,000 each. Your total bond is $17,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your prelim is June 6th, but if you're able to bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And let me see if you qualify for an attorney. Mr. Barden. It appears you do qualify for an attorney, so I am appointing one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. God bless.
Have a great one.
Okay. Down here, you going to court. Court. He going to court.
All right, what's your name?
Alone.
Robert Barrett.
They need him right now. They need him now.
All right, Mr. Barrett. Are charged with battery, family violence, and second degree criminal damage. Yeah, you got into a altercation with Miss Ragland.
Yes, ma'am.
Put her in a bear hug, scratched her right hand, causing injury, drawing blood.
Can I say something?
But hold on. And then you struck her windshield, causing it to crack. Go ahead. What you want to say?
Basically, no mind.
So for the battery, I'm setting your bond at 2,000. For the damage to property, I'm setting your bond at 2,500. Total bond is 4,500. Let me see if you qualify for a court appointed attorney. You do qualify. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.
It's fine. You didn't go upstairs?
What's your name?
Sean Bass.
All right, Mr. Bass. All right, you're charged driving on suspended license. I'm going to release you today on that charge. Make sure the court has a good address for you so that you can make sure you are in court. And I'm, wait a minute, what's the Bass? I'm going to also appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Next person.
This is Bass. Mr. Bass, I want to make sure he signs the waiver.
Mr. Bass, okay, that's up, got.
Bass. She wanna talk to you.
Yeah, because I know
She just wants him to sign the waiver.
All right.
I just want him to sign the waiver.
All right, so he's gonna sign right now.
Okay, all right.
It's the.
What's your name?
John Tavis Brown.
Yeah, and then once you tell you to come up to sign off.
You can step back now.
John Tavius Brown?
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty. You are charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $2,000. It's no violent or harassing contact with Rachel Davis. If you come back, you're not going to get a bond, right? It's no violent or harassing contact with Miss Davis. Again, your bond is set at $2,000. June 9th is your preliminary hearing. Let me see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You do qualify for a court-appointed attorney. So I am appointing one to you. Mr. Brown, do you work?
Oh, no, ma'am, not now.
I mean, like, I've been looking at these CAA forms. Nobody have a job. Why don't you have a job?
Right now I receive SSD for my disability.
Oh, okay. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
One quick question. They said that I was charged with criminal trespassing.
Yeah.
So that's all this come from an apartment that she's living at my house. So I'm not allowed to go back to my residence.
I didn't tell you that.
But
You said no violent. I'm doing you a favor.
Okay.
You're supposed to not go back. But I feel gracious today. And I said, if you go back, you cannot have any more confrontations with her.
Okay, I understand that. And how much do I have a bond, a regular bond or a signature bond?
No, I didn't give you a signature bond. You have a $2,000 bond.
Okay.
All righty. Good luck, sir.
$300 a most. $100 a most. Do you have to wave your finger? What's the? I know that you was in those.
What's your name?
Manolito Bryant.
Mr. Bryant?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Bryant, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $3,000. Obstruction, $3,000. Your total bond is $6,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Yes, ma'am.
No violent or harassing contact with Sierra Drains. Who is Miss Drains?
That was my flight. And I'm currently in the military, so I don't know how that works.
You're in the military right now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm active duty in the Air Force.
So this can't be good. All right, so you want me to take you out the house?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah, I didn't take you out the house because I believe you didn't have a criminal history.
No, ma'am. I'm trying to be a better citizen. I just had a mistake.
Well, mistakes like that can be costly, especially when you have a career like you have.
They must be Is there any way that I can get any type of help with my bond here? Because I'm currently low on funds.
This will,
You need tissue?
I give you $2,000 on the criminal trespass for taking the phone. And you do have history. I had you confused with somebody else. You have a criminal history. So that's why I didn't give you, and that's why you got the bond that you got. 2022, you got a domestic violence assault against probably the same person. So I'm gonna keep your bond as it is.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Next.
No problem.
Okay, so, bring Mr. I'm gonna put a no contact on him and not a no violent or harassing.
I think she's still talking.
You want me to update it, Your Honor?
Say that again?
You want me to update it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And put that,
Right.
I tell him I changed his bond. He needs to come back. I've changed his bond to no contact with Ms. Drains.
And his name again, Your Honor?
Say that again?
His name again?
Monolito Bryant.
Bryant.
Bryant, got it.
Oh, that's why I had a question mark near his name. So if you would put let me get out, wait till I get out of it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Um, I'm gonna get out of it. You, do you have the warrant up?
Yes.
No, yeah, I have it up. Mhm.
If you can put that, no, that's okay, because I don't know why it doesn't save if we're both in.
I'll go back through and make sure it's updated.
She said.
I wrote a note.
Okay. It's a swiping machine. And then whatever surcharge.
You put
It has a surcharge.
a city, so I don't know what city this is.
I receive a percentage of that after the court date, or is it?
Think you get it back, see about more.
This is a complete stay away.
Yes.
You ain't gonna take the money back. They can take some money from.
Hampton.
Yeah, so you ain't gonna. So that's it.
So you can't go back to that location and you can't have any contact with Ms. Drains. Good luck to you.
Next. Where we go?
And Your Honor, you said the city is Hampton.
Huh?
You said the city is Hampton?
Yes, I put it in there
Oh, okay,
and I just signed it. All right.
okay.
Hey, who's that gonna do about it?
The warrants.
There's Boston. Excellent, see these questions. But she can deposit my confidence. So as we go,
All right, so what's your name?
Joseph, that's, yeah. Did she sing no concert? Yeah, that's easy, man. Did she sing no?
You're charged with theft by taking felony. That bond is set at $4,500 and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Set that preliminary hearing date for June the 10th at 8:30 a.m. You must stay away from American Deli at 6441 Terra Boulevard in Jonesboro.